What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be the first video of 2020. Hopefully you guys had a good New Year's. I know I said I was gonna be more consistent in my last video with the uploads, but my baby came a little bit before time, so I was spending some time with him. I still am, but I had some time off today, so I decided to get this film out there for you guys. Today we're gonna be doing a little headliner restoration on my brother's car, on the C5 Corvette. The one it currently has is sagging, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. But we gotta go buy the fabric first. We'll record and see what they have and what we like. So we'll catch you guys once we get there. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the store where we're gonna be buying the fabric. It's not like a bunch of fabrics and arts and crafts stuff, but we'll probably find what we need here. We'll also need the adhesive. Alright guys, so we just got here, but we already found what we liked. We're gonna go with the red, it's like a suede.
You can't really catch it.
Can you catch it there? No?
Yeah, it's like a really nice suede.
Yeah, I think it'll fit the car pretty well. Alright, so show us what you got.
Okay, so we got this Fast Tech adhesive right here.
Alright, so we'll probably head home now because it's getting late.
Like boom gang this shit.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. Damn, Fast and the Furious who? Is that a Supra?
Supra? I think they'll give you better with the top off, in my opinion, honestly. But it is cold as hell right now, so that ain't happening. I'm gonna try to get an audio clip from you guys. To my ears.
Damn, that sounded cool.
Here's the MBS, guys. I haven't driven it. Like I said, I was busy with the baby and stuff like that, so it still has a wrap on. I'm really procrastinating on taking this wrap off just because I know it's gonna be a pain. But oh well, we'll have to do it here in one of the next videos, hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take the top to the backyard and start working on it there. Unas palabras serias para la cámara.
None.
None?
No.
Alright guys, so we'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so here's the top. We just flipped it upside down. Now you guys can see that it is loose. It's not even glued on anymore, so when the wind hits it, it just flops. That's why we're gonna go ahead and remove it. So this is what we are doing. We're just prying the edge on the whole headliner. Once it's all pried up, we'll be able to pull it off and apply the new headliner on there. I don't know what I'm doing. So hopefully we don't mess this up. But yeah. Since it is in my car, I'm letting my brother pull it off. So if it rips, I can't get blamed for it. Don't try this at home, kids.
Don't ruin your car. Damn, the whole middle piece came off.
Did it?
Hold it.
Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Well, it's dirty now, but that's the back side. I thought it was gonna be more like a cardboard, but this is just like a foam. I mean, it is a what?
It's an 02, so.
Yeah, it's like, look at this, guys.
That's trash. Oh my god.
It's pretty solid still. It just doesn't look all bent.
Well, no, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I want that cut.
So what we got to do now is just scrape off the adhesive that was left on the target top.
We don't have any glue gun, so we're using this greaser kind of thing. I don't want to say the name, but just to try to get it off the glue. Looks like it's working. We let it sit for a little bit, it might make it a lot easier. Alright guys, so we're now inside the garage. It was getting too cold outside and the window's picking up, so we moved inside. So what we'll start off by doing is spraying some adhesive on the foam where the headliner goes, and then we're gonna flip it over, and once we have that, we'll trim all the excess material off and start folding it over onto the board. That way it gets tucked under and doesn't lift easily.
Yeah, we're good.
Close to an edge or whatever, not close, but
Yeah, like on this side.
just put more.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like. I know the bottom isn't the prettiest, but it's not supposed to be pretty. That's why it goes on the bottom side where no one can see it. But put a bunch of glue everywhere. Got all the corners tucked in and stuff, so everything looks pretty smooth on the other side. There it is.
Damn. Actually, it looks really good.
What do you guys think? Let us know. Now, all we have to do is put it back on the target top where it belongs, and pretty much be done. Finesse. All right, so we got the top off the car. This is where the liner is gonna be going, but we need to apply some adhesive on it so it doesn't fall off. Alright guys, here's the finished product. What do you guys think? What do you think? What do you give it?
We finessed it. I think I would give it a 5-star rating. It's what I was looking for, what I was going for with the suede finish, so
Cool.
happy.
That'll probably do it for today. Probably pick up the camera here over the weekend. But yeah, I don't know when, but we'll catch you later. Alright guys, so thank you guys for sticking all the way to the end of the video. We're going to be choosing today's video shout out winners. If you would like to receive a shout out in the next video, please drop a comment with whatever you want to say. Alright, so the way we're going to do this is I'm just basically going to scroll all the way to the bottom, so I pull up all my comments. There we go. One Low 08, shout out to you. Thank you for participating. Saludos hasta Texas. On to the next one. Wherever it lands is gonna be the winner. Eduardo Rosales, shout out to you. Thank you for participating and for the support. So the last shout out for today's video is gonna be for there we go. Nova Deluxe or Deluxe, I don't know how you pronounce that, but thank you for participating and for supporting. Alright, so thank you to everyone that participated. I see a lot of people from Texas here supporting. Houston, H-Town, shout out to you guys. Oklahoma, I saw Florida, I saw a couple people from Mexico, shout out to you guys. Phoenix, Roswell, New Mexico, California, shout out to the Cali boys. That's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and thanks for sticking all the way to the end. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video. We already have it recorded, we just need to finish it up, but it should be up within a week of this one. We did a mod to the NBS, so stay tuned for that. So make sure you're subscribed. If you're not already subscribed, stay up to date with the builds. Hit that little bell so you get the notifications and you don't miss any of our video uploads. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.